Hello everyone. Today is a case of a digital store. The old rule. First start with the color analysis. The store is mainly white, gray and some black, 3 colors combined. White is the overall tone of highlighting simplicity. Gray increases the layer. Black lines are to strengthen the sense of technology. The combination of 3 colors is in line with the theme of technology, simplicity, and understatement. The store display shelf type consists of 3 kinds of user experience: desk, product display table, commodity shelf, and metal part to do paint treatment, which not only ensures the coordination and beauty of the store, the modular production of the display cabinet, but also facilitates the development of the store. If you are interested in our videos, welcome to subscribe to our channel. We will bring more design, display and sharing.